Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, please give this video a big thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated, as this really does motivate me to continue to push videos for you guys. So your support would be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much, and now let's jump right into today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. So looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.33 trillion. We are up 4.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 44.5%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, what a nice green day within the markets, especially over the last 24 hours. We have not seen these type of green days within the markets for quite some time. So when we do see that, it is very, very exciting. But now the question that everyone has, have we seen the bottom? Is the bottom in? Or is this just another green day and we are going to pull down once again? And we will talk about that in this video. But today, guys, I want to focus on one project specifically that we are a big fan on our channel. And that's none other than Solana. All right, my Solana family, if we are looking at the price of Solana right now, currently sitting at $41.78. It is up 9.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 4.3% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Solana's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 9 spot with a market cap of $14.2 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is still quite impressive, sitting at $1.4 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 6.2%, but over the last 30 days, Solana has taken quite a big hit, within its price, down 48.9%. And now comes a question that everyone wants to know. Is this the time to be accumulating Solana? And we will get right into that. Before I get into the charts, guys, I just want to say that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you guys don't know what Crypto.com is, it is the world's fastest growing crypto app. You can join 50 million plus users, buying and selling 250 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. Spend with the Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. Grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. One thing I love about this app is that it's a one-stop shop, can be downloaded on the 2 major platforms. If you have an Apple device, on the App Store. If you have an Android device, it can be downloaded on the Google Play Store. Like I said, one-stop shop. You can literally do everything on this app. And one thing that I love about this app, as I have mentioned to you guys previously, is the Crypto.com Visa card. It is a prepaid card. You can top it up with fiat or crypto, and you can spend this card anywhere Visa is accepted, which is nearly anywhere around the world. Use the link in the description box below, guys. If you guys use that link, you will get free $25. So check it out and let me know, and I'm sure you guys will absolutely love it. But now let's get right into the price and see what's happening with the price of Cardano. Sorry, not Cardano, Solana, and see where it's heading in the immediate short term. All right, my Solana family, if we are looking at the price of Solana right now, it is currently trading at $41.73. Still quite, ways down from its all-time high. To be exact, I really like giving you guys a better picture as to what is going on. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, Solana is down from its all-time high, 84.38%. And if you guys want to know when this all-time high was set, it was just last November 5th. So it does not seem that long ago that this all-time high was set for the price of Cardano. I'm sorry, not Cardano, Solana. My apologies. I don't know what's going on, but, please bear with me. So the price of Solana, as I have mentioned, is still down 84% since all-time high, that which was set back in November. And again, does not seem like a very, very long time ago. But obviously, we have seen the price of Bitcoin really, really take a hit over the past couple months. And if you guys don't know, everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin. So it does not matter if the next project, that's the next project that is going to shape the cryptocurrencies, overall image. It does not matter what it is going to go down if the price of Bitcoin goes down. And obviously Solana is no exception. But right now, I've been noticing I really have been noticing the amount of momentum and the amount of engagement that has been happening within the Solana's ecosystem is beyond impressive. And a lot of people have eyes on Solana. And do not forget that, guys, mark my word. A lot of people are watching Solana very, very closely because its blockchain has a very, very similar type of upbringing as what we have seen in the past with Ethereum. And as you guys may know, I've mentioned on my channel for quite some time, Solana and Cardano are the two big players, two of the biggest competitors that I have seen ever come close to Ethereum. And Solana, what it has been doing within its ecosystem, it's so impressive. Numbers speak for themselves. Let's forget about the price right now. Let's imagine the price has nothing to do with anything. If we are just looking at the overall ecosystem growth over the past 1 year alone, it is astonishing. Very, very impressive. And if you are a part of the Solana community, I want to give you guys, not give you guys, I want you guys to give yourself a pat on the back to see how far this ecosystem has really come. And price is always going to follow. If a project continues to expand, has mass adoption applying to it, the price will eventually follow. Right now, that might not be the case because obviously, as I have mentioned, the price of Bitcoin has taken a hit. Massive hit within its price. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, since all-time highs, price of Bitcoin has dropped 55%. Now you may be asking, Bitcoin only dropped 55%, but Solana is down 84%. Guys, Bitcoin tends to hold way better compared to altcoins. Altcoins always get hit harder compared to Bitcoin. Obviously, there are going to be rare ones here and there, but 99% of the time, altcoins get hit double digits and even harder compared to Bitcoin. So that's not coming as a surprise. But Bitcoin still took a massive hit within its price, and the price of Solana going down like this is no exception. And to me, guys, I was talking to my good crypto friends. I have been with in this space since the early beginnings. I've been in this space since 2016, beginning of the year, and I've seen this market cycles over and over again, and I'm used to it. I'm immune to these price actions. But if you're coming new to the markets, I totally understand the amount of fear that comes in, and it could be very, very scary. The price can be trading at $200 just a couple months back, but now it's just down at $41. What is going on? I totally understand that, but this is where your responsibility comes. Basically, what I mean by your responsibility is you don't want to just pick up any coin that is pumping and just dropping your money in there. That is not good. You always want to do your due diligence and research and invest what you can afford to lose. That's the number one key to follow. If you have done that, if you really do believe in the project, their vision, then holding is your number one key to follow. And right now, my own personal opinion, not financial advice, I believe Solana right now at this price is extremely undervalued. Again, not financial advice. This is just my own personal opinion. And I have accumulated more Solana around these prices, and I'm holding for the long haul. Like I said, the ecosystem speaks for itself. The expansion within its ecosystem literally speaks for itself. When the next bull market comes, this might not be this year. This year might be a sideways movement, more downwards trend. But we can't go much lower, in my opinion. We could see the price of Bitcoin. I'm not saying we can't see the price of Bitcoin going lower. We definitely can. As you guys may know, I've been saying this level of support at this $28,818 is the last resort. And without a surprise, you can see the price of Bitcoin has been hanging above that level of support for quite some time. And that really shows you how important this level of support is. If the price of Bitcoin is unable to stay above this level of support, then we could see the price of Bitcoin fall even lower. But I do believe 23K would be $23,000 to $24,000 would be the absolute bottom for the price of Bitcoin if that were to happen. So we could be in for more downwards momentum. I'm not saying that, but the bull market is going to return. Let's not forget that the overall stock market, along with stock market, along with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, we have seen a major correlation for the past 2 years, to be exact. Before, there weren't much correlation between them, but now we have seen quite a bit of correlation within the traditional markets along with cryptocurrency space. And it's not coming as a surprise to me at all. But the bull market is going to return, and those solid projects with real use case, strong fundamentals, big communities are going to survive. And in my personal opinion, not financial advice, without a doubt, Solana is one of them. Right now, guys, Solana is still extremely undervalued. Right now, my target for this price of Solana is to re-enter the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and then we will take it one step at a time. Right now, that is the number one target where I should be looking at, for targets, and I want you guys to keep an eye out on. But we should not forget the price of Bitcoin as well. And looking on staking rewards, guys, numbers speak for themselves. 73% of the circulation supply is being staked right now, and that itself should not be ignored. Basic economic rule, as I always mention to you guys, basic economic rule, supply and demand. When there is very less supply to be purchased on the exchanges, because 73% of the circulation is being locked, it's staked right now, roughly 25 to 27% of the supply is available on the exchanges. When the hype comes in, when the demand really kicks in, guess what's going to happen? Solana is going to rebound way quicker compared to other altcoins. But again, not financial advice. This is just my own personal opinion. Please do your own due diligence and research before investing into cryptocurrencies. But do not forget to let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing and where you could see the price of Solana go at the end of this year. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.